Hi guys, we'll start with a video of how to create a workspace and a package in ROS to Humble version, and we'll start the video. Before that, we need to know about some basic Linux command like mkdir for creating a workspace and for removing RM and moving the package from one place to one location to another location, move, and ls for what are the files are located in places. We'll using this ls we'll see, and for execute and escape from the directory we'll use a cd command to do that. Like that, Linux basics we need to do, and I also posted some videos on Linux basics command in ROS 1 tutorial. I will give those links in my description. Okay, first we'll create some workspace for our okay, first we need to open the terminal, give control T, alt T, and the workspace name is not a matter, we can give anything. Now I will put a mkdir, and yeah, the name you can give anything, and that's not a matter. And I'm going to give like basic ROS 2. Now the package is created, right? I already mentioned that the package name or directory name is not a matter, but the command or the name which you give is your choice. Okay, now we created this, so we need to source the packages and the dependencies and the GitHub thing in one place, that is called as an SRC. For creating that, we'll use mkdir for creating a directory, mkdir src. Okay, now you give like this is a source folder, you will clone and you will download the necessary dependencies, and the packages will be available on src folder only. So now we created the src folder, right? Next, here for escape from the src folder we'll use cd, right? Cd dot give ls. So here you can see only the src folder is available. We are going to use one command line like colkin build. So in ROS 1 we'll use the cmake to build the build, devil and src folder. Here we'll use a colkin build for creating a 4 files. We'll see now. Type colkin build. Okay, now we'll give ls. You can see here build, install, log and src. These three packages created by this single line command of colkin build. Okay, like sometimes for find outing the hidden files we'll use a ls dash, so it will be show there are too many hidden files, right? So now we created this workspace, right? We need to source this workspace, otherwise the terminal can't find out this. So for sourcing we'll use the nano dot bash rc. So scrolling down is a bash rc script. So scrolling down you can see here we already chosen something of this opt, the installed of humble version into the opt area of root access files. So we'll escape from this. Now you type source slash basic ROS install setup.bash. So now we source this, right? So after sourcing, okay, now we source. Now the terminal is understand the new package is new directory is created. So next is we are going to create a package for C++ and the Python. So for that we already created the directory or workspace like basic ROS, and inside src folder. So now we need to type ROS to create for that we'll use ROS to package, create, build, type, amend of CMake. So this CMake is example for a C++ package. So we are going to create a C++ package in our workspace. Okay. So for that amend CMake. So we need to give some name for our package, right? For that, new underscore package. So now the C++ package is created in our workspace, right? So you can give ls and you can see here in SLC folder new dot. So these are the packages created by that command line. So next, this is for C++. Next is for Python. Type ROS to package, create, build, type, and amend Python, and give a new name for your direct like package new, package underscore new. So you can see here now package underscore is in Python. You can see the setup.py. Okay, is in Python package, and before that we created is in C++ package, that is a new package. You can see here CMake list file is available. Okay, this is a different, right? Now we understand how to create a workspace and how to create a package. Next is how to make the publisher node and the subscriber node to work using a Python and C++. And also we are going to make one customized node for controlling the turtle sim to draw a circle, a rectangle and triangle thing in the customized node, right? That's the next task. Like using a C++ code or a Python code, I am going to use a Python. So using that Python node, we are going to control the turtle sim to do the customized work like circle, a rectangle and triangle thing. It will draw the thing in turtle sim environment. So that's a point. So after this, once again you will make the Colkin build, sorry. So you can see we created a two package that start after this make the Colkin build. First it start with a new package and starting with an package, these two is created a package like C and Python. So after this we don't do any changes in that, right? We don't add any package or code thing inside those two packages. So it will be create and it will be start and it will finish the work now. So that's the thing. We'll start with an workspace creation and package creating, and next is how to do the customized node and controlling the drill sim. Thank you.